So back once more, we have the Meguiar's. This is going to be your two-step headlight restoration kit. Of course, you can see my headlamps here, 2004 Cadillac Escalade, as you've probably known from some of the other videos. We're going to try and test it. There's no drill required before and after. Of course, when you go into the unboxing, you have your two pads. In addition to that, you also have your headlamp coating. So once you're cleaning, you will coat it with this. That is to protect it from doing that again. And of course, these are very similar to like Brillo pads as far as the feel, but you do have two of them, just in case you did want to use a drill. And of course, this is the solution, which is the cleaning solution. You're going to put this on the pad and then apply it to the headlamp. Now, two pads, I've got my cleaning solution. We're going to jump in. We're going to see if this indeed works. So first thing we'll do is, I've already cleaned it. Matter of fact, I'm going to do that again just so you see me. Now, I've done it once, just going to spray so you can confirm that I did do it. That's just a little Windex. Going to clean it up as much as possible. Of course, it did not tell me to do that, but I will. Just cleaning any debris off of the surface that I can. Of course, once I'm done there, I can do as it tells me to do. So I've got my cleaning solution, I've got my pad. So put a little solution on that. And you can do this as many times as you would like. Of course, once I have it on the pad, I'm just going to take it here again. Simply doing it by hand. You want to get it over the whole surface here. You can line your painted sections off, which it tells you to do that. Just take them and line them off or whatever. Section it off, tape it off, but I'm not going to do that. It's an older vehicle. I'll be sure not to Brillo the surface of the vehicle. So I'm just going to continue to do this, which this is the first here. Just going around getting the whole glass surface. So I've come back. Right now it's been probably about 30 minutes. So what I'm going to do, I have a bucket of warm water here, and I have just a regular napkin of whatever you have in your kitchen. Just going to take the frosted surface off. As you can tell, it's got a little bit of a buildup. It almost felt like wax, but it's supposed to be a cleaning solution. So we'll go ahead and clean, get all that off. I have a bucket of warm water right up underneath. It's cold outside, so you may be able to see a little bit of the heat rising up off of the cloth. I don't know, you tell me if that's better. I may come back and repeat this process a little bit later on, but as you can tell, it is better. A touch better, I guess you could say, than what it was. Perhaps when it dries, it may be a little bit better than what it is here, but all in all, that's the amount of work I'm willing to put into it. So the final step in the process, of course, is using your headlamp coating, Meguiar's headlamp coating. You can buy this separate, or it actually comes in the pack. So yeah, all we're going to do is take this and just spray it down evenly. Go there. So you already get a glimpse somewhat of the final product here. Now this is the protective coating, as you can tell. You can do severe, you can do moderate, you can also do light. And as you can tell, this is a moderate, and that's where moderate gets you. So I have put on my protective coating. that's all that I'm going to do to this headlamp. That's exactly what it looks like. They're again using Meguiar's Headlight Restoration Kit, and of course that is the moderate level. So that's what your ending product is going to be. Hopefully you have enjoyed this video. Hopefully this turns out to be pretty helpful. I think that is better, significantly better than where it was, but not exactly where I would like to get it. So perhaps I should have gotten severe. I should have gotten severe cleaning for my headlamp here. So definitely tune in, keep an eye out for the next channel as well, and thank you.